grab a drink and sit down. We are going to do gold nugget nails right after this. Hello, my little glammies. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi, and today, like I said, we are going to do beautiful gold nugget nails. I absolutely love this set. I think it is perfect for end of summer, heading into fall. If you've been watching, you know my creativity has been a little low lately, but things are juicing up. I don't know, that sounded weird. Last night I got to take a delicious walk in 78-degree weather. Actually, not last night, it was last night to me, but it was actually like at 4 o'clock this morning. So beautiful. I almost started crying. I was so happy. It was so beautiful. So I had a wonderful time, and I feel almost renewed, right? Summer sadness is starting to melt away. It's not quite over, especially here in the desert, but we are getting there. So what I'm doing here is just creating a lovely French. We're going to do some black up here on the nail bed area, and that is because we're going to turn that black into our golden nuggets, which I'm sure if you are not new to nail art, you may know what I'm going to do. But for those of you who don't, you will see in just a minute what we're going to do with this second coat of polish. Now, one thing you do want to remember if you're going to do something like this, this nail does have a base coat on it to help the polish to adhere and to not separate. You want to clean the sticky layer off on that because we are going to be working with chrome and you don't want it to stick to that sticky layer. It would take some cleaning off, and that might make you accidentally touch the part that you don't want to clean off. So clean off those sticky layers. It really matters. So now we've got the plastic wrap, and I've laid it down on the nail, and I'm using this brush to just squoosh it together, right? Make some hills and valleys. I'm not trying to go too hard, although when we get to the thumb, you'll see I went too hard. But that's okay, because this set is for that girly who really likes a rough looking nail, and not rough in the sense that it doesn't look, you know, sophisticated and pulled together, because in the end I think it does. But to me it just looks like little nuggets of gold, like they've not been melted or refined in any way or poured into little ingots or into ring shapes. It's like a nugget of gold that you would be getting out of the ground. So this is for the girly who likes that really cool rough look inside her beautiful nail. Now, I did not encapsulate these, and if you cannot handle in any way any kind of texture to your nail, you will want to encapsulate this and then buff everything down to smooth it. And so that way the nugget is encapsulated and you don't feel any roughness. But I didn't want to do that. I really wanted that raw but sophisticated feeling with the set. And so that's why I just gave it a juicy base coat and then a lovely top coat. But I left it so that you could still feel that texture. And I think because it's not encapsulated, you can even see it a little better. So I love encapsulation. It's my favorite technique for doing nails. I do it on myself quite often. But in this case, I wanted it to be a little more in your face and hello, right? So now we're coming in with our base coat, and I'm just giving it a nice protection layer, because we are going to come in and add that red on add that red on the French tip. I did mean for you to see me take the plastic wrap off the first nail, but I was out of frame, so I apologize for that. But you did get to see it in a hilarious comedy way on this one. There you go. If you watch my channel a lot, you know I usually am at double time. And you can probably tell that I'm not at double time today. I just wanted to, excuse me, a little froggy in my throat. I just wanted to do something a tiny bit different, right? And the double time is nice, especially if it's going to be a really long video, or if I don't know. I think I like the double time. I appreciate it when I'm watching videos as well. But today's video was going to turn out to be, pretty short. And I just decided let's just go with real time, right? No speeding up or anything. Of course, it is edited. You don't want to see all the waiting and all of that. That's more like a live stream, right? I haven't done a live stream in so long. And I was wondering if you guys wanted me to start doing some live streams, if you guys would show up for anything like that. We could do like a Sunday live or something. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Cause I would enjoy doing that. I think it would be really fun. So let me know what you think in the comment section for sure. I'm going to be posting more on the community tab as well. So if you're a friend here on the channel, make sure you keep your eyes out for those. And we'll do some polls and stuff like that. See where you guys are at with some thoughts on the direction maybe for the channel, or products that you would like to see, or art that you would like me to do. If you hear that clanking around over there, I have my grandson with me today, and he is slapping his feet on the floor, being a little cutie. So this is our thumbnail. As you can see, I went a little harder with that plastic wrap. Probably a little too hard, but I'm not mad about it. I like the look of it. If I'm being honest, I think having that much texture on my nails over time would start to drive me crazy. So if I was actually going to wear these, I'd probably have to encapsulate them. But for our purposes today, I think for the look of it, I really like that it's wrinkled and lumpy and bumpy and in your face awesome. I love how warm the gold is and how beautiful that red matches with it so nicely. This is definitely a set for a super glam girly, someone who loves to have people say, hey, your nails, oh my god, those are amazing. Which, I'm sorry, if you wear nails, you love that. Even if you're just that milky white almond shaped girly, you still love to get compliments on your nails. Sir, you're being so noisy. Now, I don't know what happened to the footage of me adding that little shadow line. Guys, I super de-duper apologize about that, but I did just real quickly add a little black line on the Frenches. I think it just gives it a little finishing, right? It makes it feel a little cute. And I don't know, I just like it. I think it added a little something. It's the only place in the whole set where there's really any black, so I dig it. I dig it a lot. This is the set, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you a girly that would wear this set? If not, totally fine. You may still like it though, so let me know what you think. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you in the next video next week. I've been doing tons of shorts, so be sure to check those out, and we'll see you next time. Mwah! Bye-bye.